Today we're diving into the heart of Korean cuisine with a DIY Korean barbecue at home. First, let's talk about equipment for grilling indoors. You can use your standard gas grill or your standard electric grill. And for both types of grills, you can simply cook your Korean barbecue on a pan like this one. Or, as many people prefer, you can also use this type of slightly curved but flat cooking surface that is created specifically for Korean barbecue. There are also electric grills like this one that are made specifically for Korean barbecue. And the key difference here is that you have a grease drain and a catcher below. So if you're cooking a richer piece of meat like Wagyu brisket, which is known as Chadolbagi, or pork belly, the grease will drain to the bottom. Also, very importantly, you'll need some tongs and scissors for picking up and cutting the meat right off the grill. Now for the meats. Here we have 5 of the most commonly enjoyed Korean barbecue meats. First, Galbi is beef short ribs in a sweet and savory marinade, and this is a cut that many people associate with Korean barbecue. Next, we have Jeyuk Bokkeum, which is thinly sliced pork collar in a spicy, sweet, and savory marinade, typically stir-fried with sliced onions and green onions. Next, we have Bulgogi, which is thinly sliced beef ribeye in a sweet and savory marinade, similar to Galbi. Next, we have pork belly. Here, we have a relatively thinly cut, non-marinated pork belly. Last but not least, we have Wagyu Beef Brisket, known as Chadolbagi in Korean. This is another rich cut of meat, similar to pork belly, and a delightfully gourmet way to enjoy premium beef. And finally, for our DIY Korean barbecue journey, accompaniments. First, we have shredded green onion, which is great when paired with richer cuts like pork belly and Wagyu brisket. We also have sliced garlic, which can be enjoyed raw or cooked on the grill alongside the meat. We also have a sort of universal Korean barbecue dip or paste called Ssamjang, which is a salty and slightly spicy umami bomb. And finally, we have some ingredients for Ssamm, where cooked meat is folded in leafy greens along with the garnishes we just looked at. Here we have red romaine lettuce, perilla leaves, and thinly sliced daikon seasoned in a sweet and sour base. There you have it, the DIY Korean barbecue at home. Grill your favorite Korean barbecue meat, wrap your favorite Ssamm, and enjoy it with your favorite garnishes. Thanks for joining us.